The ZOLEO Communicator? The Garmin Mini or Explorer? Perhaps the Global Star or the ACR Bivy Stick Survival Kit? Which one should you buy? In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 satellite messengers available on the market today and tell you which one is the best for you. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best satellite messengers. The 5th product on this list is the Global Star Spot Gen 3. Have you ever been worried about getting lost? Or if you've just run out of time and have spent the night in the wilderness? Then this list may be for you. Not only can it help you find your way, but it might save your life one day. The Global Star Spot Gen 3 can do many things for you, such as giving a preset message to a phone number or email with its 100% satellite global coverage. This can be multiple numbers or emails at the same time, which means you can either send for help through an SOS option or an assist option. The assist option is normally reserved for family or friends, whereas the SOS button will alert rescue services. You will appreciate the options, as it is not often you need professional help. Additionally, the Global Star Spot Gen 3 is most useful in situations that require a little aid, such as needing to be picked up at a certain location or if your phone dies. Its 52-day battery life also makes it much easier on your stress levels if you get lost. Its pros are, it reaches phone numbers or emails, its GPS tracking is accurate, and it has many different options. However, its cons are, it has a thick design and a subscription is required. The Global Star Spot Gen 3 is an excellent item to have on long trips. Up next in 4th place is the ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. There's plenty to like about this next unit, not least of all its Bluetooth feature that allows you to connect to most Android or iOS smartphones. Not only does this make it easier on you, but it also allows you to track your own location or share it with others. The ZOLEO Satellite Communicator works excellently and accurately. Through its satellite connection, the ZOLEO can instantly send messages out for emergencies or updates to family members. Furthermore, its GPS tracking system is extremely accurate and can be shared with your friends or family, and its map type covers Australia and North America. This not only keeps your mind at ease, but it can also ensure someone can call for help for you if an emergency arises. And finally, the best feature is its long-lasting 200-hour battery life. Its pros are its Bluetooth feature, its excellent GPS tracking system, and its battery life will last over a week before needing to be recharged. However, it comes with a 3-month service fee. Overall, the ZOLEO Satellite Communicator is a great way to keep your family and friends updated constantly. Still haven't found a satellite messenger that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the ACR Bivy Stick Survival Kit. First of all, you will undoubtedly appreciate the ACR's battery life, which will last roughly 120 hours. This is by no means the longest battery life on the list today, but it is more than adequate. Furthermore, it has outstanding global coverage. However, the one downside to the ACR Bivy Stick Survival Kit is that you cannot send messages from it directly, but you can through its app on your phone. But since most of us are never more than 5 feet from our phones at any time, that shouldn't be an issue. You will also particularly like that the ACR Bivy Stick Survival Kit comes with its very own signal mirror, C-Strobe H2O rescue light, rescue whistle, and a rapid ditch dry bag. All these are included upon purchase and individually could save your life during emergencies. The C-Strobe light is an excellent way to signal for help during the night, and the whistle can alert any nearby rescue services of your location. And of course, the Bivy Stick itself has global coverage, which means if you can see the sky, you can call for help. Furthermore, it is compact and easy to carry or clip onto your backpack. Its pros are, it has a solid battery life, it comes with many life-saving accessories, and it has excellent satellite service. However, though it has many useful features, it may be difficult to set up and use if you don't know what you're doing. If you are looking for a package deal that has excellent quality and performance, then the ACR Bivy Stick Survival Kit will be perfect for you. The 2nd product on this list is the Garmin inReach Mini. This small, lightweight satellite communicator enables two-way messaging due to its global Iridium network. Its battery life is on the low side of roughly 90 hours. However, the 24/7 SOS activation will give you plenty of time for search and rescue to find you in emergencies. You will appreciate that with this unit, you can access maps offline after downloading them to your device. The Garmin inReach Mini will save the map and make navigation easier. All this can be found on their free Garmin EarthMate app. You can also send or receive messages through compatible devices. Additionally, we like that the Garmin will update you on distances with its display for a quick view of your progress. Furthermore, the Garmin has a 128 by 128 pixel display. This is by no means an HD TV quality screen, but it allows the Garmin to preserve battery life while getting the job done. Lastly, its compact design makes the Garmin inReach Mini durable. This reduces the risk of breaking the satellite messenger if dropped. Its pros are its two-way global Iridium network system, its downloadable maps, and its battery-saving display screen. However, on cloudy days or if inside a structure, the Garmin inReach Mini will drain the battery faster. The Garmin inReach Mini is a durable and reliable satellite messenger device. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top satellite messenger is the Garmin inReach Explorer Plus. Starting with a bang, the Explorer Plus allows you to compose your own messages, has a rechargeable battery, has Bluetooth, and can be paired with multiple devices, and much more. It has an interactive 24/7 SOS mode, which makes finding you much easier and helps pinpoint your location faster. Its maps can be downloaded, which have US NOAA charts that help you with color aerial imagery and more. You will particularly like the 200 by 265 pixel screen that is 2.3 inches long. This gives the screen a decent display when navigating and or updating your friends and family. However, this does cause the battery to drain faster. Furthermore, it is hard to not appreciate that the Garmin inReach Explorer Plus comes with preloaded DeLorme topo maps with on-screen GPS routing as well as built-in digital compass, a barometric altimeter, and accelerometer. This means it has you covered for every situation. Additionally, like all the others, the Garmin inReach Explorer Plus requires a subscription and an activation process. Thankfully, this process is smooth and stressless. This is an ideal product for true adventurers into the wilderness. Its pros are, it has a large screen, it's downloadable NOAA charts, it is easy to set up, and it has built-in compass. However, it can be quite power-hungry when using all of its features. The Garmin inReach Explorer Plus has the features and options you will need for any trek into the unknown. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.